still currently at work. Leaving for London later.
How many hours left?
6 hours.
7? No. Yeah, 6.5 hours.
See you later.
Alligator.
So we have 10 minutes to do this. Miggy is going to pierce my ears. Pierce my ears, my dears. Diyan ka muna. Full trust on your partner who's a nurse.
Medyo malapit.
Tusok mo na, wala na tayong magawa. Pasok mo yan sa hole, tapos i-push mo siya palabas yung plastic. Okay.
Ay, kalapit pala.
Ay, uy.
Namumog na akong punta.
Mag-pierce.
Kabuang anong gayanan. Gakpangog na ako.
So, sa likod ka magtusok? Kaya tama na yun. Hello, Ellie. So, we're at Barron's Court. Mommy's waiting outside the station.
Ellie!
We haven't seen her in 4 years.
Ano?
We haven't seen her in 4 years.
Ellie, what will you do?
What will you do when you see Mommy Cherry? Ano?
Hug and kiss?
Aww, cute. See ya.
Wala dito
Okay guys, so gidala namin si Mommy sa isang Australian na coffee shop. Oh well. How do you feel? You met Mommy Cherry today.
Happy.
So happy.
Me, I'm really happy. My hands is cold.
We're back at the Natural History Museum.
What's up?
Uh-oh. Pretty.
Aris ka na panorama.
Turista.
Ilang ganda? Sarana.
Ganda, diba? Ellie! Ano yan?
Snapping turtles.
Snapping turtles. Oh, wow! Take a photo. Sabi mo.
Look.
Look! It's so big!
First it turns
Hmm?
into a flat fish.
Ayan o.
Sabi ko marami sa Philippines. Ayan. Illegally imported coral from the Philippines. Corals.
Baka na-confiscate or i-donate.
Kawat.
Hindi. Normal talaga yan. Wala ka magbayad.
Where? Oh! Giant squid, Ellie, look! Wow! Mushroom coral from Philippine waters. Yan yung masakit sa paanak. Pag matamakan mo yan kay masakit. It's so big!
Submarine. No, it's a whale.
It's a whale! Woo! Sa pong turista. Turista. Yan.
I'm here to visit the king.
Ay, mamaya na yun sa Buckingham. Ganda ng building.
What are you going to do in London?
Ganda gani. Right, day 1 pa lang. Ang dami na naming napuntahan, guys. Ayan. We're currently at Kensington Gardens. Right. Photo ops with mommy. Let's go!
Hello. He likes to take a picture.
Ali! Ali, it's a
Ano, ka-cute niya. Hindi siya natapos.
Posing for a photo.
No?
It's so cute! Hello! It's raining in London. We're currently at the Kensington Gardens. Nalingaw si Miggy. Nalingaw si Miggy, guys, kasi may par. Oh, it flew away! Bye! Cause it's raining in London, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Hey! Ganda pala siya. Hello!
Basta!
Yes, Nana!
Pasta! Uy!
Tapos nakapayong.
Oh. Bakit ba? Ganda!
Nag-aso na gan ang bunga ka ako. Lamig pala dito ng summer.
Oh, this is our summer. Welcome to the English summer.
Ay gosh. Ang dream ko ba ano, White Christmas. Naka-White
Minsan
Christmas
lang, oh.
Where are we?
Ay, dito pala kami nakastay, guys. Sa, Kensington Palace. 4 days, 3 nights. Mura lang, nabayaran namin. Ito ba, guys?
feeling Princess
Princess.
Diana.
This is Notting Hill. Hala, mahal no? Mahal, tag 300 pounds. Ito. 300 pounds. Bargain. Hello, we're at Notting Hill. Umuulan po ng bonggang-bongga, guys. Nakakaloka. So there's like shops here and like a lot of shops. Yeah. Oh look. Habang naga-video kayo, maswap ko mo. Okay na. Hello, mahal. Ellie, sarap ng tulog. Sobrang haba ng market. Nasa Rojas pala kami, guys. Hey! We are gonna watch a theater show. What are we gonna watch, Ali? Hala, wala na siyang voice. Hala, morena na siya. Wicked. Waiting for a show to start. Waiting for a theater show to start.
Ani.
Ani? Anim na? Wow! Rich kid ka, Manoy. Rich kid ka.
Of course. Sabi mo. Of course, mama.